Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So for me, what is currently happening here is just confirming the wave count I made you aware of earlier today. Yeah, I'm expecting further downside in wave C. So this is the updated wave count for Ethereum based on the movements. I don't think we have seen the wave 5 high yet. I don't think we have seen the wave 4 low yet. Yeah, because none of these ideal levels have been reached. We pretty much just have seen a corrective move to the sideways move here over the over the weekend in an A overshooting wave B, and now we should come down quite sharply in a wave C, because this is a flat pattern, an expanded flat as it seems like, where you have a wave A, an overshooting wave B, and then the wave C should come down impulsively in a wave C, making a lower low than the wave A. Running flat possible, but we can't count 5 waves yet, and also running flat would mean we're finished already, because it would end higher than the wave A. But what does not confirm this, and which would rather confirm the expanded flat theory, is that what this is currently doing, this slight move up looks very corrective. It's just a consolidation, basically a bear flag, you could call that. Would expect further move down, at the moment. This is how it's looking like. You can draw a trend line as well that if that gets broken would confirm further downside. All right, so this is currently how it's looking like. I would then expect it to land ideally in this range between the $1,300 to $1,400 level in a wave 4. That is based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, the wave 3. Yeah, so if we take those Fibonacci levels, you can see that this should end actually between 1400, maybe slightly above that, and 1326. I think I can narrow that down a little bit now. Shouldn't go below 1326, really, to be honest. And it would be below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. That would then usually not a wave 4 anymore. Now we can go lower, but then we would have this already as wave 1, and then indeed the wave 5 was complete here, but I don't think that is likely. That is currently the alternative. So that means go into this area that is with the highest likelihood where I would expect it to go into. Should we go lower, then it's probably a wave 2 correction, and we could test the 1280 level once more. And maybe even drop below that, but that would then again put more doubt on the bullish breakout scenario. In an ideal case, we only go back into this green range here. Now that we have now the length of the wave A, so this box is measured by just looking at the length of the wave 3 and taking the retracements, okay? But where the 38.2 and the 50% are the most likely ones. The 23.6% is the minimum. We've done that. So from a Fibonacci retracement point of view, wave 4 could be finished. That's what makes it so difficult at the moment. But that strong decline to the downside, that impulsive move, makes this wave count, in my opinion, the most likely one at the moment. Therefore, currently expecting 1326 to 1402. Only if we really go above 1666 here, I would change my view. Until then, we are going lower, in my opinion. We can also measure a target, maybe a little bit more specifically, by taking the length of the wave A, because now we've got the length of the wave A, and we can project it out, because there are a few ways of how to measure this. Oops, let me just do that. The wave C target, an ideal target for a wave C. We just don't know why the extensions don't work. I think it might just have a problem with the internet, so we'll get back to that in a minute. But overall, where I think we are in, is we have seen obviously a wave 1 here. We've come down in a wave 2 here. We are now in this third wave. We would see next the fifth wave. The fourth wave. That is what we currently basically are in. Until we really go below the 50% Fib retracement. From here, then I would expect a move to the upside in a fifth wave, and only after that, I think only after that, ideally, I would expect. I would expect this then to be a higher level wave 1, and I would expect this to be a higher level wave 2, all right? So that's primarily what I would expect. So that when this fifth wave is complete, this is a wave 1, we're then going to come down in a wave 2. And that wave 2 would be quite a strong retracement that could very well take us down to 1280 or maybe into that price region. At the moment, I I think we are first going to make this wave 4, and then come up in a wave 5, then come down in that stronger retracement. For now, we can assume we only will see here the area between 1400 and 1326. Okay, so I've got the internet back. So we're going to take a look now at the more specific target for wave C. So what we do, we take the Fibonacci extensions, we take the length of the wave A, and we project it out. So for the wave C, the ideal target would therefore be 1413. That's the 1.618 extension. So I can put another line here. And what I will do, I will move the target area slightly up to 1413, okay? Because this would be the ideal target for the wave C. And it is pretty close to the 38.2% Fib level anyway of the wave 3. All right, and that is currently the update here for Ethereum. So this move up looks corrective, and I would expect that price here, that ascending trend line to be broken. Good confirmation that the wave C is continuing to the downside is a break below the wave A low of 1494. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.